We'll sit right down in there. There's another one right there. That's a better one there. Yeah, there's some decent fish right down there. There's another one right there. Tighten there. He was sucking on that one. That's another. These fish are aggressive on this laydown. There he is right there. Apparently not. That feels better. Oh yeah. That's a better fish right there. We're back here at Mark Twain Lake. Beautiful morning, Monday morning, August the 19th, I believe. And we're just gonna go check some laydowns, see if we can't catch some crappie. Also hit some of these fish habitat cubes and all that good stuff. So stay with us. Let's go put some crappie in the boat. All right, we're gonna check this laydown. I haven't checked this laydown in a few weeks. I don't know if there's gonna be any fish on them. Looks like there's a few on there, so that's a good sign. So what I'm gonna do is disengage my all aboard marine unit. That way I can spot lock. Today we're going to use the 10-foot Edgar rod, the Ardent Finesse 1000 reel, 15-pound sniping braid, and the 1/8 ounce thumper dwarf pillhead. We're going to tip it with a minnow. Got some big minnows. We're going to see what kind of mood these fish are in today. There's one right there. Not a keeper though, but it's a fish. I have to weed through these to catch a few decent ones. I'll let her fall right down in there. There's just some laying on that branch right there. Just a lay down. There's probably some down here in the bottom too. We'll let it go down there and sit. There was a bite right there. There's one. Oh yeah. There's a bunch right down here on the bottom. We'll let it go all the way down there. Sometimes you can't see them when they're sitting on the bottom with this live scope. You just got to sit it down there and they'll come off the bottom there. There's one right there. I had to coax him to bite. That feels like a better one. Yeah, right there. That's an eater. I had to really sit it down there, and he finally come up and smoked it pretty good. Ain't nothing special. It's a good eater. Like I said, I got a buddy who wants some fish, so I'm gonna get him some fish today. Get my stringer out here. That way I don't lose count. Let's put some water in this bad boy. Water in the live well. We'll try to keep 9s and above today. We're gonna go straight down right there to those fish. I just had to let it sit for a second, and one finally smoked it. There's another one right there. He tapped it. 9-inch fish. A little fat one. Right at 9 right there. We'll sit right down in there. There's another one right there. That's a better one there. Yeah, there's some decent fish right down there. Now that fish is might be pushing 10 3/4, maybe pushing 11. Let's see. Oh yeah, that fish is 11 inches right there, a little bit over, just right at 11 pretty much right there. It's good to see these 11 inchers. There's some more just like him down there. There's another one right there. Tighten that. He was sucking on that one. That's a solid 10-incher right there. It's a solid fat 10. See how close I am to guess on the size. Oh, I'm off. Sorry, 9.5. I better calm that down a little bit. That's just a solid 9.5 incher. Fooled me. There's 4. Well, we got a rod malfunction. Braid is great to use, but my gosh, see this right here? I have no idea how that just happened. So let's get a different rod. We'll get back down there. All right, now we're gonna use a gold nugget head, which I don't really think the color matters. Just whatever you got confidence in. I was using a chartreuse a while ago, but I think we'll still catch some. There's one right there. He feels pretty decent. Yeah. That might be a little chunky 9er. Chunky eater. But he don't get to get out and fish much, so I'm just going to get him some fish today. Touches 9 right there. Nothing special, but this is our first little hole we're hitting. Just hitting a, like I said, a main lake laydown along the bluff. And looks like there might be a bunch of 9 inchers with that one 11 incher I just caught a little bit earlier. So that's all right, they're good eaters. Never did eat a fish that I knew what size he was. Got a buddy, he's a principal here at one of the local schools here, and he saw him the other day. He wanted to get some fish. I told him, well, we'd try to get out and do some fishing one of these days, but his schedule's getting busy with school starting up, so I thought I'd just come out here and get him a few, take him to the school for him. I'm just letting it sit. There it is right there. This feels like a little better one. Oh yeah. It's a fat one. Fat 9 incher. look a little better coming up out of the water, but oh yeah, 9 1/4. 9 1/4 inches. That's what we got so far. 6 of them. You know, it's important when you're out on the lake, you know, you cut some line off. Don't throw it in the lake. Put it in the trash can or your cooler or something. Keep the water line free, because it's no fun when it gets wrapped up in your trolling motor props and all that stuff. So let's go to the next spot. Flip it on down in there. There we go. Come to daddy. Oh, scared it. There's one. You got it. Feels okay. Oh, he might be a 9. Gosh darn if he ain't gonna touch 9 inches right there. Unbelievable. Well, it's going in the bag for my buddy on the stringer. 9 incher right on the nose. There he is. He come off that limb and got it. That's gonna be an eater, I think. See, I got an eater out of there. It's gonna be a fat 9 incher. Come here. Oh yeah, he's about 9 1/4. These fish are aggressive on this laydown. Dropped it right down there on that limb, and he come off and ate it. There he is right there. Apparently not. That feels better. Oh yeah, that's a better fish right there. That's a good fish. 10-inch fish. See how close I am on this. I'd say he's 10. Yep, right at 10 inches right there. There he is right there. Feels okay. Oh yeah. That's an eater. That's an eater. That thing is 9 3/4. Well, it looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips left. Looks like that's number 10. Sitting right down in there on them. There's another one. He got me around. Got him out of there. Feels all right. Looks like a black. Oh, what do I got here? A catfish. I got a nice little skillet catfish, but I'm not going to keep him today. He's not that big anyway, but off he goes. Here we go again. There's another one. That's another fat 9. Maybe. Yeah, he's right on. I think I'm gonna throw him back. There he is right there. Oh boy. What do we have here? There's another catfish. Ooh, there's another catfish. I don't have my net with me either. Come on. I just want to see how big you are. That's a world record crappie? Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that channel cat. Ooh yeah. It's a nice little eater channel cat right there. Look at that. Got that thumper tail head right in the top of his head. See if I can get him up here. Come here, you little sucker. Oh yeah, I got him. Ooh, hook just fell out of his mouth too. Look at that cat. Nice channel cat. But we're gonna throw him back. Live another day, buddy. That was fun. I knew when he started going out, it wasn't a crappie. Yeah, we're going down to these little wad of fish along this piece of pole timber right there. Looks like a better crappie. It is. It's a nice crappie right there. Every bit 10 inches. For show. Let's just see how big he is. Oh yeah, he's right at 10 inches. That's number 13. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good crappie right there. Yeah, had a little drought. That's pushing 11 inches for sure. That's pushing 11. Let's see here. Oh, touches right there at 11 mark. Just shy of 11 inches. Got one more clip left. There I go. For all you live scope lovers out there, it's going straight on down there. There it is. There he is right there. He jumped on it. If that's going to be an eater or not, it might be. Probably throw him back. Oh yeah, he's not about 8.5. There he is, got that one. He feels like a better one. Yeah, that's a better fish. That's an eater crappie here at Mark Twain Lake. Howard, if you're watching, Hope you're doing well. That's a Mark Twain Lake eater right there. That's going to end the video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Till next time, we'll see everybody on the next one. There they are right there. 15 crappie in the box, door shut.